New asphalt paving solution from Leica Geosystems, the pioneers of 3D stringless paving. Use Leica iCON Asphalt Paver for the placement of cement-treated base as a quality foundation layer for your pavement. Use iCON Office for model preparation and Leica ConX for uploading of the project files to the panel. Save project time and costs and avoid waiting for a surveyor to stake out the project. Use the 3D solution from Leica Geosystems on asphalt pavers for pre-compacted ground foundation. Ensure correct placement of material in grade and slope and avoid waste of material. Start paving directly without waiting for manual stakeout and reduce project time substantially. As-built checks are synchronized with MC1 and Leica ConX. The height offset is easily changed on the run screen. Automatic swap to the next total station when free line of sight is blocked or when the distance of the total station to prism is exceeded. Use the automatic screed extension for continuous paving and use automatic steering for machine guidance. Benefit from more than 20 years experience from the 3D paving pioneer to ensure that your projects are always on time to specification with a safer operation.